All right, we're going to do a little bit of review on energy transfers versus transformations. So hopefully the video helped your understanding and reviewed a little bit. So we did cover this earlier in the year, but it's going to focus on ecosystems. So if you remember, energy is the ability to do work. Matter is anything that takes up space. Okay, so that's the difference. So the plants, of course, is matter. Heat is energy. The chemical energy moving along here is energy. Okay. An energy transfer is when energy moves from one organism to another. So energy is going to transfer from the plant to this herbivore right here, the centipede. And that's an energy transfer from one organism to another. When this eats that, it's going to transfer again. That's an energy transfer to the bird. So every time we move up, one, that's an energy transfer. Remember that transfer is one way. The energy does not then go back to the plant in a circle. The plant does not get energy from the vulture over here. The energy never goes back to the sun in a circle. So it's one way. And so it needs this constant supply of energy from the sun, or of course our ecosystem is going to fail. Solar energy, if you remember, is the original source of energy. Okay, so without this energy input, there's no ecosystem. There's no energy transfers going along with the organisms. Then, of course, none of the organisms would survive. And of course, this powers photosynthesis in the plant. That's where it all basically starts in the ecosystem. Chemical energy is a form of energy each organism in a food chain is. So as soon as it goes through photosynthesis, it now has chemical energy. It's using that ATP, which can then get transferred when this eats that. Okay. Thermal energy is heat. So every organism has body heat, of course. So that's why we have a temperature of 98 degrees. And so that's true of the bird, that's going to be true of the vulture, that's going to be true of every single organism. They're going to give off some body heat. Well, that heat is released to the environment. Then it's gone, it's out of the ecosystem, can't be used. And energy transformation is when energy changes from one type of energy to another. So we have some solar energy here. It becomes chemical energy as the plant goes through photosynthesis. So that is going to be an energy transformation. There doesn't have to be an energy transformation. This is chemical energy here, and then it's chemical energy here. There's no energy transformation. There is an energy transformation, though, when we go from chemical energy, releasing it as heat, body heat. That's going to be an energy transformation. So you can see solar to chemical changes. Chemical to heat, a change. So both of these are energy transformation statements. So again, we've covered this before. We should hopefully understand that matter recycles between organisms. So yes, this is chemical energy, but matter is recycled. The carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, those types of things. Due to photosynthesis and respiration, as one organism eats another, they're going to breathe out oxygen. Well, that goes into the plant. Okay, so all of that is going to be occurring. It never leaves the food web. It just keeps going around and around in a circular motion. Energy, though, is one way.